Watch till the end to get a special treat. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey guys, we are going to learn how to alter a design or edit the text in a design. Now, this is a file I made so long ago, years ago. It's pretty popular. I sell a lot of it on my Etsy. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight this. This is a group of two objects, so we're going to hold Control-Shift-G, separate that into two separate pieces. I'm just going to move this one out of the way. With them both highlighted, though, I'm going to just make this a little bit bigger. I want them both highlighted because I want the backing plate to stay proportionate with it. So we'll just put that where we want it. Now, on this particular design, what we'll do is we'll grab our zoom tool. We'll zoom in here. Now, we can do this one of several ways. So with our node tool selected, we can highlight the nodes, and we can delete all of the inside nodes like we did when we were making a backing plate. That's one way to do it, and then we can add text. I'm just going to undo all of that. Another way that we can do it is we can grab the box tool and we can just draw over top of this text. And then we can hold Shift, grab both of those rectangles that we drew, come up here to Path, go to Combine, and then hold Shift again, grab the backing plate, go to Path, and hit Union this time. Both ways will erase it. And then when we want to put some new text in there, we're just going to put it on here. Pick a color that we can see. Let's change this text, this font, to something that we like a little bit better. Now, if we already have some stencil fonts, we can do that. And in this case, I have several stencil fonts, so I'm just going to use that stencil font, and I'm going to right click this, duplicate it, bring it down, and this is just going to make sure it uses the same font, and I'm just going to change the text in it. So we're going to put Charlie's Garage on here. Just zoom out a little bit. Going to grab our text only, grab our little arrows, move this down to a size that we like. Now I'm going to just put this in a way that I like it. So, and you guys get creative and do it the way that you want to, for sure. I'm going to highlight all of that, come up here to my alignment tool, align left and right. I'm going to grab my text. I'm going to go to Path, hit Combine, highlight all of it, Path, Difference, and since that's a stencil file, that's all ready to cut out. And since I sized both of these at the same time, my backing plate, if I highlight them both, center it vertically and horizontally, it's going to fit perfectly. Although I don't like it red, I like it green because I'm a green guy. And that is how you edit text on a file like this. Now, let's say it was a file. Oops. Let's grab our selection tool. I'm just going to move this out. Now, let's say it was the other way around. Just going to back up until our text is gone. I'm going to select that. We're just going to get rid of this text. Now, let's say it was the other way around. Let's say this was hollow in here. I'm just going to draw a hollow space. I'm just going to show you if you have something done the other way. So give me a second here to just... But let's say you had a file like this with the hollow space and the letters. So in this case, it's really similar. So we would just double click it to bring up the nodes. and leaving the two corner pieces intact. We're just going to highlight everything and make sure we get that bottom line too, that bottom row here. And we're just going to select all those nodes and delete. Now that leaves us our hollow box. We would just grab some text, type in what we want. Go to our selection tool, size it appropriately. Maybe we want it a little taller, something like that. And making sure that the text is overlapping here on the bottom. If you leave it like that, a gap like that, let me turn it black, it's easier to see. If you leave a gap like that, it's not going to cut out. You need to have it touching. So if that's where you want it, you're just going to highlight the whole thing, come up here to path and hit union, and that's now you can send that to your table. It's all cut. You can cut that out. A way to double check this is to zoom in here where the letters touch and just turn on your node tool and make sure that it's one line and it's not separated right here. Might clean up those nodes on this font a little bit, but that is how you do it, and our backing plate will fit perfectly behind there. And you're done. Send it to your table, cut it out, cash your check. Let's move on to the next lesson.
What if I told you that mastering CNC plasma sign design and becoming a master at sales and marketing your work doesn't require expensive software or years of experience? You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need the right tools, the right tutorials, and a proven step-by-step roadmap. I built my CNC plasma business from the garage with a 2-foot by 2-foot plasma table up to a 5,000 square foot full-blown metal fab shop, and now I'm giving away the exact tools and pathway to how I did it. Inside is all of the information I wish I had when I first started 7 years ago. This includes a free Inkscape drawing tutorial video set that teaches you how to draw, design, and prep your files for plasma cutting like a pro, start to finish. And I'm also unlocking access to our CNC Plasma Sales Masterclass, where you'll learn how to turn your hobby into a full-blown, profitable business. When you click the link below, you'll get instant access to our step-by-step Inkscape training, ready to cut SVG sign files, our plasma sign pricing calculator, a free QuickBooks Masterclass to track your sales, our complete CNC Plasma business roadmap, and my exclusive member-only content that I will never post on YouTube. Inside, you'll find tons of downloadable files and private video lessons waiting for you. If you're ready to stop guessing, if you're tired of endlessly searching YouTube, and ready to finally build a CNC plasma business that pays you what you're worth so that you can go full-time and quit your day job, you can escape the rat race just like I did, and I'm going to show you how. Click the link below in the description, sign up for free, and I'll see you inside.